thinking about taking this drop. Looks ridiculous on 0.5, bro. Yeah, slippery. Probably not the day.
Oh wait, first or last? First or third.
Round 1. Fight!
Ooh, good one. Oh my lord. So since it's not raining anymore, now I gotta use my own water. If you want a slip and slide contest, you gotta sacrifice.
Everybody got their homies.
Round 2, fight! Round 3, fight! Oh! Hey, that's right at the end of the wall there. That was like your ABS kicked in, you know, and it's...
That's a good ass analogy, dude.
I don't know what he's doing. Being a wild Roland in the rain, I guess.
Rolling in the wild. Here, let's go see what he's doing real quick. Oh, the front.
I just saw a front flip challenge here. Let's see if it's a possibility. I just double check the grass is good.
Yeah!
How's it going, sir?
How's it?
Thanks.
Can you guys not do it on our property?
Yeah, no problem.
We're on our way out. Is this Punahou or UH? Oh, mid-pack, that's what it is. Okay. Yeah.
We got you, Uncle.
Yeah.
Right on. Have a good one.
Thanks.